Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about Adobe Spark. If you have a subscription to Adobe's Creative Cloud, you have access to Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a lot like Canva. It's a very quick and easy way to create your social media graphics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how to make an Instagram post, but let me first tell you how to get to Spark. It is a web-based designing platform. You can also download the app on your phone. It's called Adobe Spark Post. If you want to use it on the desktop, it's spark.adobe.com. The first thing you want to do is actually click whatever size you want to work with. Again, I'm going to do Instagram post in this video. We're going to click Instagram post. It's going to pop open. So I'm just going to click the Your Potential is Endless. And then we're going to click create from this template. If you want to change the text, all you do is double click in the text just like you would in Photoshop. I'm going to put B, I guess unique. We'll go with be unique. Why not? Click done, and it adds the text in here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it actually has a little border around it. That is because shape is turned on, so if you don't want that little box, you can just turn that off. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do here is replace the background image. To do that, you just click on the background, and then properties will pop up on the right-hand side, a lot like Photoshop's properties panel. I'm going to click on replace. What's really cool is they actually pull in photos from Pixabay. Yeah, from Pixabay. I was like, is it Pixels or is it Pixabay? You can also upload a photo from your computer or from Adobe stock, etc. So I'm going to just use the free photos here. We're going to use this. Alright, this, and again, since I have this element highlighted right now, all the properties for it are going to be right here on the right side. Now, it added in as a background. What that means is it's actually scaled to fit the background, but if you don't have that on, it won't be. And then you can just kind of scale it yourself. Not having it as the background also means you're free to drag it in the layers panel here. But when you turn it into a background layer, it pretty much locks it and scales it so you no longer have access to moving around. In this case, the layers panel went away because there's only one element that I can currently move, but if I were to add another, let's say text, we'll put the name of the channel. Alright, we'll do this. Wow, that's pretty big. We can actually just scale this down with the type options over here. We can drag it out and then just place it wherever I want. We'll do this, but as you can see, the properties panel, the layers panel actually popped up again, and you can see I can drag these around just like in Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. You can also change the color of your text. Again, just have the elements highlighted, and then you'll get the options over here on the right. What's really cool is Adobe Spark actually suggests colors based on colors elements have already. So in this one we got a lot of greens, a lot of pinks, some oranges, and that's why you probably see that in this panel here. So actually I think white was the best. I'm going to go ahead and click on background again, just so I can show you some of the options over here. You can actually scale it, so if you want it to be more zoomed in, you can do that. What's really cool is you can actually rotate it to get a unique look if you don't want just the basic image as it came in here. So if I scale it and then I rotate it like I did, that's kind of cool. It's not too different. If you want to blur it, there's also options for that. You can turn it on or off, and you can also adjust how blurred it is. That's kind of cool for a gradient if you were trying to make a unique gradient. Getting kind of off topic here. If you wanted to change like any of these settings, are under adjustments. Enhancements, adjustments. I was thinking adjustment layers, guys. So we'll go with that. Once you're done with your graphic, all you have to do is go up here and click download. In the upper right, you can download it as a PNG, a JPEG, or a PDF. You click start download, and then it should show up in your downloads folder on your computer. And then you just take that image file and you post it on Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn, whatever you created the graphic for. If you guys want to see more videos about Adobe Spark, please let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And as always, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!